skip and limit inside the aggregation pipeline work pretty much the same way skip and limit work when you do a simple find. So it doesn't make any sense to skip and limit unless you first sort. Otherwise, the result is undefined. And what you want to do is first skip and then you limit. Doesn't usually make a lot of sense to limit and then skip. And skip forward, just skips forward in the document set. So if you have a set of ordered documents and it's coming at you, let's say in this direction, and you want to skip forward. So if you skip 5, you skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you start here. And then if you limit it to 3, it gets 1, 2, 3, the next 3 documents. If you recall, when we did a find, the order in which you gave skip and limit didn't even matter because the server would automatically, or the drivers, would reorder it so that it first sorted and then it skipped and then it limited. But in the case of the aggregation framework where you are giving an ordered list of stages, the order in which you specify skip and limit do matter. Let's look at an example of using skip and limit. We're going to go back to our query that we've been working with in the last few lessons where we're going through that zip code data and searching for all of the zip codes in New York and finding the population for each city, projecting the information, sorting it by population, and then skipping forward 10 and then limiting it to the next 5 items. So if we do that, then we get these items right here, which are still some big population places, but the first 10 are missing from the list, and then we get the next 5 from the list, which is Astoria, which is in Queens, Jackson Heights, Far Rockaway, also Queens, Ridgewood, and Binghamton. These are not in Queens, and Jackson Heights, I think, is in Queens. So, all right, that is how you use skip and limit. Now it is time for a quiz. And here's the quiz. Suppose that you change the order of skip and limit in the query shown in the lesson to look like this. So rather than skipping first and then limiting, you limit and then you skip. How many documents do you think will be in the results set?